How to create sticky elements in Wix Studio. So Wix Editor and Wix Studio both have this function. What you can do is you can just click on this plus icon and add the elements that you want to be sticky. So if you already have an element that you want, just head over and choose that. For this one, I'll just choose a button that I want to use. For example, for this one, I'll choose this chat now option and then I'll just drag this to this part of the website. Now you should be able to see the button that I have added. Here it is right here. So what we can do is we can just right click onto this button. And then from in there, you can see these options. So what we can do is we can click on this pin to screen. And then as you can see, it will actually put it on a different location. But you can also just set the position of this square. For example, this right here, around here, or around here. Now you can also put in here the offset and vertical or horizontal. Now, when you close on this right here and when you try to actually scroll up and down, you can see that this button has now been pinned. So that's how you create sticky elements in Wix Studio. Hope we help.